I am making my fried chicken banh mi sandwiches. They are crispy and juicy, loaded with pickled veggies and sweet creamy mayo. I'll start by making my chicken. I have one large chicken breast here that I've thinly sliced. Now for my drudge, I'll combine 2 eggs with a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I'll season with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. I'll mix this up until it's smooth. This cornstarch with the egg creates a thicker, crunchier coating. Okay, and I'll take the chicken on through. I'll get it coated in the egg and then transfer it to panko breadcrumbs. And I've brought these to room temperature, which allows that breading to adhere really well to the chicken. All right, these are fully coated. I've got about 1 inch of neutral oil here, heating 350 degrees in my skillet. And I'll lower these in gently away from me so that oil does not splatter. That's exactly the sizzle you want to hear. And I'll fry these for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they're golden brown and crisp, like a beautiful golden wheat field. I think we have arrived at Crispy Town. Look at that beauty. It's gonna be so crunchy. I'll transfer these to a wire rack so that any excess oil can drip off. The rack allows for air circulation underneath so that the bottom can stay crisp. I'll let these drain while I whip up my mayo. The unsung hero of a banh mi sandwich is the sauce. Mayonnaise, hoisin, sriracha. I'm just gonna throw them all together. I'll start with 1/2 cup of Japanese mayonnaise, a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, which is super sweet and salty, and 2 tablespoons of sriracha for heat. Fried chicken sandwiches have to have mayo. It's just a rule of life. I'll stir this up. Okay, that's it, easy peasy. I'll grab my baguettes. I've buttered them and gotten them toasty. I'll get my other fixins and then I'll be ready to assemble. I've got a rainbow of bright toppings here and I'll build. Start with 1/2 of the baguette, slather it with mayo, crust to crust so that every bite gets some. Top with chicken. Now, a requirement for banh mi is a pickled mixture of carrots and daikon radishes that are crunchy and peppery. And I've just quick pickled these with some rice vinegar, salt, and sugar. And the combination of this cooling crunch up against the hot fried chicken is what keeps me going back bite after bite. I usually see cucumbers on these, but my own little Midwest spin is that I'm gonna use hamburger dills, some thinly sliced jalapenos. I'll finish with a pile of fresh cilantro. Gotta have cilantro. More mayo, just a little bit. And a necessary sandwich assembly step. Smash to bring everything together. I'll wrap this up. Oh, this is one super sandwich.